Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my second vlog. My last vlog was a little bit over a month ago, so I'll fill you guys in on what I've been up to. So shortly after I published the first vlog, I participated in Keith Brown's Bowl Without a Lathe challenge. And that was probably one of the more heavy learning projects I've done so far. I think a lot of you guys have actually found me through that video, and I just wanted to say thank you for coming along this journey with me. And I hope I'm able to keep you guys entertained moving forward. Thanks again to Keith for hosting the challenge. Looking forward to the next one. The bowl video actually worked out very well timing-wise. Part of the challenge was to have a synchronized publish time, so I was able to use that as my video for the week. My normal time for uploads is usually Saturday night, but this weekend I was going backpacking with a couple friends up in the mountains. So, having no service in the mountains, I wouldn't have been able to upload. I did take the camera with me and I took some footage of the trip. Check it out. Alright, so we pulled up last night. Basically just camped up there for the night because we didn't actually get set up until about midnight. So now we're just getting our food, eating some breakfast. Gonna be heading out here pretty quick. Alright, so this is my second time recording this part because I'm an idiot and just turned the camera on but didn't actually hit record. So we're heading out now. So there's Ryan and Jeremy in the back. There's Rob. So I guess Rob was saying it's like a 26-hour walk. I think he's full of crap. So
26 straight, no break.
26 straight, no break. Alright, so we're about 5 minutes in. It's all been uphill, so it's a bit brutal.
It works.
I'm out of shape. Giant tree in the way, that's great. Just in the middle of the aspen grove. There, to check Jeremy. Jeremy's slowing down a little bit. I think they're picking up some of his stuff. Yeah, we lost Jeremy. He's gone. He turned back. He was feeling it a bit worse, so he's gonna. I think he said he was gonna sleep in the truck overnight. Yeah, so like hopefully he actually makes it back. Otherwise, we're kind of.
Nope.
I guess he has
the keys.
He has the only set of keys I brought. I should have brought a second set, but
we might have to go bear hunting.
we got some baked potatoes in that fire. We got water boiling over there. I don't remember what it was for sure.
We're doing pasta and stuffing.
Pasta and stuffing?
Yeah. I'm eating beef jerky.
And beef jerky.
Beef jerky's awesome.
Just snacks. That works. I don't know who started it, but I'm gonna put a little rock on top. Alright, so we're heading back to the truck now. So we're about 5 minutes in to the return journey. We're gonna see how, or we got a timer going, so we'll see how long it actually takes us. Not counting breaks, I'll turn it off in the breaks, but just straight walking time, I'm gonna time it. So it's about 40-50 minutes in. This is the portion we climbed up over here yesterday. Climbing down over here today. Ryan's having a little bit of trouble with it. I made it down first, so I figured I would be I'd sit and take a break. Take my bag off, or take my pack off for a little bit. So, yeah. The weekend after the backpacking trip, my wife and I went up to the cabin. I didn't record a whole lot there, though my mother-in-law did ask me to take out a stump while I was playing with the chainsaw. It was a bit rotten and punky, but it had super cool colorations. So I salvaged what I could, and now I have it drying out in my garage. I'm gonna have to pick up some penetrating epoxy or something like that to make them even useful. Like, look, this is this is almost paper light, it's so rotten. So I have no idea if this is even going to work, but the colorations in these were really cool. So I wanted to try them out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any ideas on what I should do with them or how I can stabilize them. This is completely new to me. I have no idea what I'm doing for that. I just thought it was a really cool find, and hopefully I can make something cool out of them in the future. So what have I been working on? I did the camera mount that I'm actually using right now to put on my shop computer desk. So the computer desk and the camera mount will be 2 future videos coming out. And then something else I've been working on is actually a paper plan storage organizer for my wife to put underneath her drafting table. So that'll be another video coming out at some point. If you guys want to see more up-to-date information on what I've been working on, you should check out my Instagram in the description below. #shameless plug. Couple cool garage sale finds as well over the last couple weeks. I picked up this small Stanley Handyman planer. Looks like it's in really good shape. I might have to sharpen the blade. Other than that, it looks like it's in really good shape. And then this Stanley number 5 planer. There is a little bit of surface rust on the side, but I imagine that that'll come off as soon as I actually wipe it off. It's really not that bad. Seems like it's in really good condition otherwise. So I think I spent around $20 Canadian on that. So what is that, like 50 cents American? So on that note, I guess that's about it for me today. I'll have my next video coming out Saturday night. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one.